Today, I'm continuing to test out this monitor that has a wonky power switch. We have something else exciting to look at. Here we have a Commodore 64. Mind you, there is some confusion about this, and I'm just about to look at it for the first time. I'll unbox it. Because, oh, that's an interesting thing. It is indeed, after looking at the ports and everything, it is indeed 64. But on the top of it, very happy, is a Vic-20 logo. This fellow says he got it new. I have to look. I don't know that I have seen this Vic-20 badge thing. Anyway, since he's had this since new, he's never changed a thing. He says it just came this way. So perhaps it was an error. And he listed it online as a Vic-20, even though on the back it says model number 64. And it looks very complete. And it comes with a power supply and a data set. But I'm not going to try the power supply as of this moment. I'm going to unplug this machine that I know that works. And tuck it in the back. And the power switch is off. I'm still using power. Oh, now how many pins does this have? I wonder. I need to look. Oops. All right. Hello, Andrew. Alright, so it is an 8-pin video connector. Perhaps it's premature, but I will connect it to the 1541 disk drive. It looks in very lovely shape. But it has not seen power in perhaps 30 years. So the monitor is on. The disk drive is on. What could go wrong? Hello, Andrew.
Hi.
I am recording, Mr. Man. All right, here we go. Power. The disk drive responds. Oh. Well. That is interesting. Try again. That is also interesting. So we definitely have some issues here. We do. Huh. But it will not, it won't show me what's going on here, but it will not read from the disk drive. So, yes. Interesting. Very interesting. What else do we have here? Oh, we have the original cable that would hook us up to a TV, which is actually, it's just a funkier RCA cable. These can actually be quite handy. This one feels a little, well, like it's been sitting in a box for 30 years. And here we have the original power supply. We do. Let's have a look here. Yeah, looks to be there. Now, am I courageous enough to give this a try? This fellow said the last time he used this, everything was just dandy. Now, as we have seen, the computer has issues, to be sure. Commodore Vic-20. By the way, this fellow, from what I know of it, of him, he still insists it's a Vic-20, but it is not. I'm going to plug this power supply in, see if I see any smoke or flames, which I do not. The lights did not dim in the house. So we're going to live on the edge. The light comes on, the drive responds, and the same weird things come up on the screen. Well, interesting. My gut tells me there's a site online where you can look at pictures of screens with sort of failures. And because this is not reacting well with the disk drive, I am tempted to think it's a 6526 chip that has gone astray. Tempted. It's funny though. Look, this is the other lonely thing that came with this. It's a data set. But when I typed in load, it did sort of vanish. Now it didn't really show me anything on the screen, but it did sort of go away. So I know this isn't going to work in terms of like doing anything useful. But the data set does seem to be responding. I think this video cable has, maybe it's this cable, because I know if I tap the monitor, okay, no. So I'm going to press load. Oh. Then I'm going to press play. So it's thinking it's doing this. So there's hope that the data set is happy and working. There is made in time one. Alright, so we obviously have some things to look at. For the moment, I'm going to let this cook for a little bit, see if anything changes, and in the next episode we'll go deep. So thanks for coming. Another adventure, and I've got to look into this Vic-20 logo thing. It has the rainbow, doesn't jump out as one that I've seen. Maybe I'm wrong. Anyway, to shuffle the box and prepare for surgery. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.